Hey there, I'm Ben, the maker of Unblock.Domains. I'm going to show you how to get started in less than 2 minutes. So let's go to the homepage of Unblock.Domains, and then we're going to click Get Unblocked. So once we do that, we're going to be taken to a login screen, and let's just hit Login with Google. Cool, and now we're at the Your Domains page. This displays all the domains we have added to our account, as well as the status and when it was last scanned. Of course, we don't have any added yet, so let's go ahead and do that. So I'm just going to click on Import Domains. And all we do here is enter one domain per line. So I'm going to go ahead and enter a couple domains. This first one here is one that I know to be blacklisted already. And then for our second domain, let's just use producthunt.com. And let's hit Run Import. Cool. So now we get a message saying that we successfully imported 2 domains. We have to wait a few minutes for the job to run and check if these domains are really blacklisted or not. This just happens on the first run, and then from there on out, the monitoring schedule dictates when the next check will run. So these are both defaulted to weekly, so every week it'll check if the domain is blocked. If we want it faster than that, we can always change the option to daily or hourly. So let's go ahead and come back in a couple minutes. Cool, so it's been a couple minutes, we're back, and let's see how our domains are at this point. So let's go ahead and refresh the page. And we can see that we have both of our statuses updated. So for Product Hunt, obviously it's a healthy domain. Everyone knows Product Hunt. And then for our second domain here, our test domain, we can see it was blacklisted. And whenever this happens, we actually get an email telling us about the problem as well. So let's go ahead and check our email. And we've received 2 emails. The first one is for Product Hunt, and it just says, hey, it transitioned from pending to healthy. No issues at this time. If you want, you can click this button and tap the toggle to enable automatic whitelisting just to give you some peace of mind in the future. And then for our second domain here, our test.multi.serval.org domain, we can see that it's now blacklisted. And the email will say exactly which blacklist it was found on, explains why that happened, and then lets you know how to get unblocked as well. Cool, so that's basically how the product works. Then there's also the automatic whitelisting button. So if we click Get Unblocked, or we click this toggle here, we'll be set up for automatic whitelisting, which means whenever the domain ends up in this blacklisted state, the system will automatically try to get it whitelisted by sending a request to the blacklist itself. So you don't have to do it yourself. Thanks, that's it.